Deserve nila magkaroon ng physical store. Yun lang masasabi ko dito sa na-discover naming Cloud Bakery that offers their handcrafted rolls. Family business to Last June 2024 lang sila nag-start and ever since every week silang sold out. Kita nyo tong tagline nila, "Will keep coming back for more." Di ka ba naman ma-curious niyan? And yung una ko nga agad napansin dito, box pa lang hindi ka na mahihiyang ipangregalo to They have 3 flavor options and yung in-order namin is yung box of 6 assorted rolls nila para lahat ng flavors matikman namin. They have indulgent cream cheese, luscious dulce, and comforting cheddar. Unahin ko na tong favorite ko sa lahat, yung kanilang indulgent cream cheese, and ang sarap nito, promise. Balance lang yung tamis at alat ng pinaka cream cheese feeling. Tapos yung mismong bread baked to perfection, light and flaky. And feeling ko talagang pinaglaanan nila ng panahon at effort yung recipe nito. Hindi yung basta ka nilang nag-bake tapos ay ibebenta mo. Itong luscious dulce naman, basically parang yema yung palaman, pero ang maganda dito, hindi OA sa tamis, which is really good. Proportion nga rin yung pagkakalagay sa feeling, kaya bawat kagat mo may malalasahang palaman. And last but not the least, yung kanilang comforting cheddar naman, I think ito yung usual na matitikman natin sa mga cheese rolls. Naghahalo yung alat ng cheddar cheese and yung tamis ng sugar sprinkle. Para kang kumain ng ensaymada, kaya classic na classic yung lasa. There you go, Jolly Natics. Yung verdict ko dito, lahat ng flavors nila panalo para sa akin, pero tulad ng sabi ko, yung pinaka-favorite ko is their indulgent cream cheese. Kaya naman kung gusto nyo rin ito masubukan, which is I really guarantee, PM lang kayo sa page nila bago pa kayo maubusan.